Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I was asked about footwear. I think that you should invest money into correct footwear if you want to take anything seriously. So if you're really wanting to step up your training and you're looking to lift heavy and you want to squat heavy, then use the things that weightlifters use. They use weightlifting shoes. They have a slight heel and a stable platform. I'll keep the logo hidden in case any companies want to endorse me. So they have that elevated heel so that you can keep your back straighter, you can load the legs better. It is a much better position. If you look at some of the best weightlifters in the world, they have amazing mobility and they still use weightlifting shoes. So you should invest in them if you want to lift heavy especially. What else you need to have is a nice flat shoe that doesn't have a heel on it. So this has a nice flat bottom and there is no heel to it. So that is going to stop you from hindering your ankle mobility. If you wear shoes with a slight heel on them all the time, your ankle basically gets stopped from being in this position to being raised up here. So that is severely going to hinder you from squatting properly. And if you never train through a full range of motion, you're going to lose that flexibility. So invest in a flat shoe, invest in a heel shoe, but most importantly, don't forget to train barefoot. So make sure that you can lift the little toes up by themselves while keeping the big toe down, and make sure you can lift the big toe up by itself while keeping the little toes down, and do that for a million bajillion reps. That's going to start giving you stronger feet for moving and lifting and all that there kind of stuff. Do barefoot training as well, so kettlebell work, deadlifts, all things like that. Try them in your bare feet. Heavy farmer walks, things like that, do them in your bare feet, and it will give you better feet, which will in turn help your knees, help your hips, help all kinds of stuff. And don't worry about dropping heavy weights, because if you're going to drop a heavy weight on your trainers anyway, you're probably going to break something anyway, so don't be scared of that. If your gym won't let you wear bare feet in your gym, wear bare feet in your gym. Change gyms, and yeah, get the proper tools for the proper job, but make sure not to neglect your body's normal functions. Okay, guys?